Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaviri from Karma Healing again today, bringing you the weekly reading and hope all of you are good in health, keeping yourself safe from Omicron, the virus. I think everyone is getting cold and cough and flu somewhere, but people are healing really fast. So please don't worry, take care of your health, eat healthy food and be blessed. Okay, we will start our reading for the week that is starting from the 17th of January till the 23rd of January, that is the Sunday. 17th is the Monday and 23rd is the Sunday. But before I start my reading, like I always tell you, please go ahead and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Insta as well as on Facebook. So please go ahead and like my channel there too. Channel no, page there too, of course. And let's go ahead and start our reading with the first sign, and the sign is Aries. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what cards come out for the sign Aries this week. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Aries. For the people born under the sign Aries, if I see your cards where your work is concerned, career is concerned, definitely a forward movement is coming to you, something that you need to celebrate, kind of a thing, at your workplace. So forward movement is definitely seen where your career is concerned. You have to be very careful where law comes in picture, like something that you must have signed before, or some case that is coming up, that you need to be careful about this week. Also, there is you do see finance, you do have that financial you can say stability that is this week, but somewhere it is something like you are waiting for something to come to you where your finance is concerned, but it is still a wait that is showing this week. Also, you have to be very careful, Aries people, with your negativity, some negativity that is surrounding you, or something that might affect your week a little bit here and there. So just be very careful and stay protected. Health looks fine. I don't see any problems where your health is concerned. Yes, a little bit cold, cough here and there might be an issue, but nothing major I see coming to you this week. So that's for Aries. Now we'll go ahead and do cards for people born under the sign Taurus. So let's see. Taurus people, career-wise, business-wise, work-wise, yes, forward moment coming to you. You will see that increase in your career or your position in where you work, or there might be a growth, extra growth that you will see this week where your business is concerned too. Financial condition looks good. I don't see any problems where your finance condition is. It is stable, nothing to worry about. Where your health is concerned, yes, I would say just worry about your health this week. Take care of your health, because I see something coming. Maybe stress is over, or maybe cold and cough, that virus that is in air might affect you this week. So just be very careful regarding your health. Finance is stable, career growth is there, relationship remains the same. There is no change in your relationship. So that's it for people born under the sign Taurus. Now let's do cards for the sign Gemini. People are born under the sign Gemini, be very careful about your health this week. I see problem coming to you where your health is concerned this week. So if you see your relationship also, it's a week where it is a total low phase for you Geminis, because I see that you might have to take care of your health very much this week. So where your finance is concerned, or where if you say your relationship concerned, that doesn't matter to you this week, because your total focus will be on your health this week. So just be very careful about your health. Yes, there are chances of leg pain, there are chances of hurting your leg, there are also chances of you catching cold and cough, like it's in the air. So as this week is for health for you guys, that is why I'm trying to tell you to be very, very careful about your health this week, because your mood swings also seems to be very, very low this week. So just take care of your health, Geminis, this week. Other things like finance, relationship, and your career all looks fine, and nothing to worry about. Just to worry about is your health this week. Now, 3 cards for people born under the sign Cancer. Okay. So people born under the sign Cancer, this week is something where, wow, I see a total shift where your career is concerned, where your business is concerned, where your career growth is concerned, or your life is concerned basically, because something major is coming to you this week where you are totally going to change your focus to it. So maybe it can be your relationship, a new relationship totally, you might cut off the relationship you have and you will totally move into a new relationship, or where your career is concerned or where your growth is concerned. You might think of starting a new business where you just want to shut down the business that you have. You're more interested in that business, or where your job is also concerned. This is a week where you will totally take a new field where your career is concerned also. Or if you're a student or if you are studying, then you might have that thought this week where you would like to change your major, maybe totally to a different major. So that kind of week is this. Financial condition, I see balance. There is nothing much increase or decrease, but where I told you, where your relationship is concerned, career is concerned, a total different move, a shift is coming to you this week. A totally different, where your career is concerned, where your relationship is concerned, or you can say finance is stable. So finance, you shouldn't worry about it. Your health, if you are into that health condition where you have been hospitalized, or you are serious, or whoever is like fighting a battle kind of a thing where your health is concerned, you have to be very, very careful this week, because there are chances that your health might instead of getting better, I will say, you will see going down kind of a thing where your health is concerned. So just be very, very careful where your health is concerned, Cancer people. Now we'll go ahead and do cards for Leo. For Leo people, green cards, yes, but I do see a little bit of depression coming to you this week, but don't worry, that should pass, because the other cards are really good. But maybe there is some little health condition that you might be suffering, like cold, flu or something like that. Not a major sickness coming to you, but that is why your moods are a little bit down and you might feel that depression coming to you. The growth, where your career is concerned, I see growth, I see a achievement that will happen this week for you. Relationship wise, you will meet your family, you might meet your grandmother, or if you're into a joint family, maybe you'll meet your family, or maybe you'll meet your near and dear ones this week. Relationship, I see the cards that yes, definitely there is a growth in a relationship. If you are looking for a partner or for new relationship, this week is somewhere where you will notice a new relationship building up. So where your health is concerned, just be a little careful where your health is concerned. A low setback kind of emotions are coming this week. So just that basic cold and flu that everyone is getting, maybe that's the issue that is making you a little bit down. But don't worry, the cards are healthy. I don't see a major health issues. Yes, but definitely a week where you meet new people, you meet your joint family, maybe meet your grandparents, kind of a week where your relationship are concerned. So now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for Virgo. Virgo people, I see good cards for you this week. Definitely a very positive week for you guys. You will where your career is concerned, where your job is concerned, I see a very, very bright sun card that has come in your reading, where you will move this week with positivity. There are chances that There will be a shift in career, a career which is much more better than what you are doing right now. A very positive and a very very forward movement. Where your relationships are also concerned, I see someone coming in your life this week. If you are alone, there are chances that you will meet someone whom you will be attracted to. Family celebration coming your way. There must be something to celebrate this week. Maybe a new car, maybe a new house, or something new that is coming to you this week where you will celebrate with your family. Definitely, if I see it, like I told you, there is a growth in your career, but yes, little negativity here and there is going to be there. So stay protected and stay healthy. Now we'll go ahead and do Libra. Let's go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Libra. Ooh, Librans, nice cards for you this week. It is a magic for you, a magician card. Whatever you do this week is going to give you all positive results. So this is a week where if you want to start something new, is the best week for you, because it is going to give you that positive result that you are looking for. Plus, there will be that confidence, there will be that the forward movement, the strength, to move ahead with all your you can say all your positivity. And whatever you do, like I told you this week, it is going to succeed. So where your career is concerned, if I see, yes, do something new, or is something coming to you that will be very very positive for you this week. Where relationship are concerned, looks good. I don't see any problems with your relationship. In fact, I see it growing. You have been blessed this week where your relationship are concerned. So definitely a week where you can build in a new relationship, go into a new relationship, or if you're single, this is the week where you find new relationship. Finance, I see finance, definitely a growth in your finances. It's something like you have put the money aside and it is growing by itself. So there is a growth that is shown for Librans this week. And health, I don't see, because there's so much positivity in your cards, Librans, that if something like cold, flu, something comes to you, you are going to fight it back very strongly. So it is not going to affect you that much. So that's it for Librans. Now we are going to go ahead and do cards for Scorpio. People born under this sign Scorpio, I do see a very good card for you guys. Also, you have been blessed this week. Scorpions, basically, if I see your cards, it is something that the whole universe is going to support you this week. So you are going to get blessings from the universe in whatever you do, where your career is concerned, where your health is concerned, where your emotions are concerned. But definitely a positive card. So that forward movement will be seen in all aspects of your life, but you have to be very very careful about the people who are not your well-wishers. There are chances of arguments, there are chances of people backbiting you, something like that. But definitely a growth is shown in all fields of your life. Relationship, if I see, relationship is also blessed this week, but you need to balance your relationship, because somewhere you are not giving enough time to your relationship, and that's where some problems or issues might have come in your life, maybe last week or something. But this week is something for balance. So balance your relationship, balance your work, and definitely you have been blessed this week from the universe. So you are going to have a very positive week this week. I don't see any problems where your health is concerned. Like I tell you, if there is something also, it is something where it is something that will come and go. It is not a major health issues coming your way. Now we are going to do cards for Sagittarius. People born under the sign Sagittarius, this week is going to be little low for you guys. Definitely I see a small travel coming your way, so that's a good sign. You will be little happy when you travel, but there is a lot of burden that you are or you will be taking this week where your work is concerned. So slow down and have patience and relax yourself here and there, because that burden might cause you some health issues that you have to be very very careful about. I do see opportunity, more work coming where your career is concerned, where your business is concerned. but you will be taking too much stress this week. So please take care of yourself, otherwise your health will have problems. I see a little bit of setback in your health, so you have to be very, very careful where this virus is concerned, where your cold, flu, something like that is concerned, because that thing will bring you down this week. So don't take so much stress, and relax yourself this week. Finance looks normal. Relationship also, there is a low phase in your relationship, because you might not be, because of your health issues, maybe this is not the week where you will concentrate on your relationship, or you can say work has to be in terms of, definitely you are going to take the burden of the work, but relationship is not something that you are going to concentrate this week. But definitely some kind of travel to meet someone is shown in the card. Now we are going to do 3 cards for people born under the sign Aquarius. No, sorry, not Aquarius, Capricorn. People born under the sign Capricorn, if I see your cards, definitely good cards. Where your relationship are concerned, it shows very satisfactory week this week. There is nothing that you have to go out and look for a relationship. You have good relationship and you are very satisfied with that relationship. Finance increase is also seen in your cards. Also, but there are chances that something that where work related you're doing, or signing your papers or any contracts, you have to be very, very careful about those things. There are chances that you might make mistakes in that, so just be very careful about that. Don't shut your eyes and ears, but keep them open, concentrate, and then go through the papers and sign it. Definitely a week where yes, there are few things that is going to affect you negatively, but definitely it is something that it will come and pass. So it is not going to, that problem or whatever is coming to you is not going to stay for you. It is up to you how to make your this week. It is something like you do your work, how hard you do your work, the result is going to be that. So just concentrate on what you are doing, and this week will pass. I don't see any health issues, major health issues coming your way, Capricorns. Now we are going to do Aquarius. People born under the sign Aquarius, where your relationship are concerned, yes, there are chances that there might be a breakup, there might be some problems where your relationship are concerned. So just don't feel too much down or sad. This shall pass. Where your yes, this is a week where relationship might not work, so there is that sad moment that is there this week that will be coming to you, but that shall pass. Don't worry about it. Where your work is concerned, I do see a forward movement coming in work. Definitely a little bit of growth, not too major a growth, but definitely a forward movement is seen. So a little bit of growth will be seen where your work is concerned. There are people who will judge you this week. There are people you will be surrounded who will come and tell you that you're not doing this right, you're not doing that right, but have patience, this shall pass. So don't worry about it. Where your health is concerned, yes, you have to be very, very careful about your health, because I see some kind of problem coming where your health is concerned, but that shall pass. Because see, what happens is when you are emotionally down, you catch to this negativity and you catch to sickness majorly. So you just have to be a little careful where your health is concerned this week. Take proper care of yourself, and I think you shall be okay. Now we are going to do Pisces. That's our last sign. Pisces people, good week for you. Card has suggested to donate something or feed the poor if you can. This week it will show improvement in your career and your finance. Also, I see a forward movement, something where your career or business is concerned, where you will be the leader, and you will be someone who is whom the crowd will follow, kind of a thing. Also, there is the growth that you're looking for, where your career is concerned. It's still a wait I'm showing, but definitely the growth will come, but not this week. Also, there are chances that you are going to get support of some elderly person. Maybe the boss is elder, or any grandparents at your place who will be a good support for you this week. So overall, you will get a support from a person, a talented person, and 100% there will be a positive coming from that person to you. Donate something to the poor or the needy this week to increase your finance. Growth is coming where your career is concerned, where you will lead the group of people, the growth that you are looking for. But the major promotion, if you are looking for, is not this week. You will have to wait. It is still showing a wait in the growth. And health wise, I don't see a major issue coming to you. If something happens, you will come out of it. So that's it. Our reading is done for the week of 17th Jan to the 23rd of Jan. And like I always tell you, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I have a page on Insta as Facebook, so please go ahead and like my page there too. Stay blessed, stay safe, eat healthy, and love you all.